Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at this simple question that requires a simple answer. It says, please make a video if you want to sell. Some people are working in office. How can we set the limit once it reaches the price? It will be automatically sell out. Okay, so all we just need to do now is to dive into the Bybit to answer this question from the esteemed viewers and subscribers. So before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So here we are on Bybit. Alright, so we're going to go into pick a particular coin that we're going to use for as example for the sake of this class and for the sake of that question. All right, so let's say we'll be using grip. Okay, let's say we'll be using grip. So let's quickly check for grip. All right, this is grip. Okay, this is what? This is grip. So what we just need to do is to navigate ourselves to either trade or click on buy here for it to take you to the buy and sell phase. Click on trade. Now we are here. I'm already in this trade. I joined this trade with 20 USD. This is the current price of the trade of the coin. This is the total quantity of the coin that I have secured. Okay, so how do I set this limit sale? I'll quickly navigate myself to this arrow. You click on this arrow to make sure you get this limit. And if the limit is already here, then it's okay. No need for the arrow. And if this limit is not already there, if you're the type that trade with market price, click on here to choose limits. Okay, to choose limits. Okay, now let's say I want to sell this particular coin at 0.002, right? Okay, let's quickly say how much am I having here now? I'm having 20 USD with a total quantity of this coin 13,188, right? 13,188 of this grip coin. And let's say I want to sell this coin when it gets to 0.002. Okay, and in case I will not be online, the moment the price gets to 0.002, it will be automatically sell out, or it will be automatically sold out. Okay, so I will come to this very place to click on here to edit to particular price I want to sell. Let's say I want to sell it when it's 0.002. At 0.002, I'll be making plus 6 USDT. Okay, I might say, okay, this is not enough. I'm going to sell it at exactly the price that I want. If I'm lucky enough, it will get there and it will be sold and I will make a very high profit. Okay, all right, so I will come to this place now to make my own choice when I want to sell. I want to sell this when it was 0.004. At 0.004, I have automatically made more than half of my capital. All right, I've automatically made more than what? More than half of my capital. So I'll come to this place now and say, okay, I want to sell when it's 0.004, and I will get 52 USD. All right, I will get 52. I will get 52 USD. Okay, the next thing I will just need to do is to click on sell. Yeah, I will draw it up to make sure I'm selling out everything when it gets to 0.004. Okay, here. So I will click on sell. All right. So if I click on sell, it's going to navigate me to this very place, and I'll still click on sell again. Okay. I have submitted an order. And what does the order says? The order says sell this out for me when the price gets to 0.004, even though I'm not online. Right? I hope you're getting that. But if you're not getting it and you have any question, do not forget to drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. You can see that you have submitted an order, which is yet to come, which makes your quantity of this grape coin is no longer available. It's no longer available here. So where is it available now? It's currently available at the order, which is where you are seeing order 1 here. It's currently available there. Okay. And what order did you open? It's called grape. Okay, it's called what? It's called grape. And this grape with its quantity is open here. If you wish to cancel this limit sell, you can cancel it here. And if you wish to modify it, maybe you want to increase or you want to decrease the rate of which you want this coin to be sold out, you can come to this place, modify. All right, you can modify it in the sense that, okay, let me click it. Let me click on modify. You can come to this place to say, okay, I'm no longer interested in selling it this way. I'm not interested in selling it 6 at 6. This is my quantity. All right. You can see this is my quantity. All right. This is the current market price. And this is the limit I want to sell, which is the order. And this is the quantity. All right. It is in my hope that you're getting this, right? But if you still do have any question, do not forget. Drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. All right. So this brings me to the end of this very class. Like my video if you have not done that. Share my videos and do not forget, subscribe. Okay. So thank you so much. And I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye.